here. Northern Ireland, the north and west of Scotland, those winds gusting to at least 70 miles an hour in the next few hours. Could well be some structural damage and some pretty hazardous driving conditions as well. It's a vicious little area of low pressure. It's been developing all the while. You can see the way that cloud's swirling around there. It's going to go past the west of Scotland up towards the Faroes in the very near future. There's also that band of cloud associated with it. That's a weather front, and that's going to be pushing across from the west, bringing us all some wind and some rain. In fact, there's the rain at the moment on the radar, stretching more or less down the middle of the country, a fair bit of it across the north of Scotland, and a real packet of showers into Northern Ireland as well. And that band of rain will march on during the course of the rest of the afternoon through central and eastern parts. Much brighter weather following along behind, although with some blustery showers. I don't think the rain's going to clear from the north of Scotland, and eventually once it arrives in the southeast of England, it'll be hanging on there until after dark, and we've already spoken of those strong winds that are going to affect those northwestern areas. And I think those strong winds will make it feel quite cold, although those temperatures aren't too bad for the time of year, and it's certainly going to be much milder than of late, up to 12 degrees or so in eastern parts of England. A windy start to the night, a fair number of showers as well, still coming into those northwestern areas, and still those outbreaks of rain across the southeast and linking back into the Channel Islands. In fact, that rain may be rather reluctant to clear. It might just about get down to the south coast or so, and most of the showers should die away as well. And that means to say that as the winds drop off and the cloud breaks and the skies clear, it could well end up a fairly chilly night. In one or two sheltered spots you could just about conceivably get a touch of frost. And then tomorrow we're going to find a new area of low pressure, more frontal systems sweeping their way up from the southwest. So the day in many places starting off dry and bright, nothing more than the odd shower in the north of Scotland, but we will